Everything we do is rooted deeply in our American heritage, working hard every day since 1966 to make you the greatest cleaning formula, GP66 Green Miracle Cleaner. It's an NSF-approved cleaning solution that removes the toughest dirt, grease, and grime from just about anything, anywhere. The most effective way to clean and restore your oven and stovetop, melting away grease. This special cleaner is powerful enough to clean diesel engines and yet gentle enough to clean carpeting and to use on kitchen cabinets. As a non-bleach bathroom cleaner, it works great on grout, shower doors, tubs, and sinks. Spray on food surfaces, rinsing with potable water, lifting those stuck-on food stains from pots and pans. You are not getting results with other cleaners because the solution sits on top of a surface rather than penetrating through it. GP66 breaks the bond, lifting the stain out. GP cleans hardwood, concrete, carpets, clothing, brick, boats and cars, sports equipment, really just about anything, even on exterior home surfaces like vinyl siding, gutters, patios, and decks. GP was originally invented as an industrial cleaner. It became popular when the mayor of New York needed a cleaning product to remove graffiti caused by vandalism. To this day, GP66 cleans body shops, arenas, and tunnels. The sprayer has 3 settings. Turn to mist to clean a wider area. GP cleans up stainless steel and kitchen appliances. It's what you reach for when you have reached everything else, so might as well reach for it first. We are a small, family, woman-owned and operated business. Become a hero and order your GP66 today.